What up, people? I got another video for you today that'll help you make money online. This one is pretty creative. This is one that I haven't seen before, and when I found out about it, I thought I'd have to share this out with y'all. So with that being said, the site that I have for you today is called Click-a-Snap. With this site, what you do is you upload images and you get paid every time somebody views an image. They don't have to buy anything. They don't have to download anything. All they have to do is view it and you get paid for it. So check this out. Make money when your photos are viewed. Click-a-Snap is the only platform in the world where you get paid when your photos are viewed. And then it shows you right here that you get 15 cents per view. Okay. And that's crazy. Just for getting somebody to view your image. How many websites are like that? There aren't any. Okay. First things first, let's go back to the main page. Now, if we hit explore, okay, these are the different categories. All right, you want to go through the site and you want to find out what's popular. So let's go with the marketplace. Okay. And these right here are the featured categories. These are the ones that they're highlighting. Okay. Street photography is probably the easiest one. You could do this yourself. You can go outside. I know it's a pandemic, but this is easy. You can go out there and you can take some street photography if you want. Animals, people. Okay. For those of you who like taking pictures, this is right up your alley. I'm pretty sure you have some pictures in your phone that'll fit in one of these categories. Okay, so go through your phone, upload whatever images that you have, okay, that fall into this featured category. If you're not a picture taker, okay, you really don't want to go out and take pictures, there is an option for you, and I'm going to show you that in a minute. Let's take this one for example. Animals category, right? Since the featured image for that is a horse, let's go over to Google and let's type in horse or horses. Okay, let's click on images, then we're going to click on tools. Okay, usage rights. What we want are images that are free to use, that don't have any licensing to them, okay, or Creative Commons images that you don't have to give attribution to. Okay, so go through the pictures, right, find out more about the image, okay, and if you can use the image, go ahead and download it and upload it to the site. Okay, something else that you could do, okay, sites like Pixabay or Pexels, StockSnap. These sites, all of them, the ones that I just pointed out, Creative Commons websites that you don't have to give attribution to. You don't have to pay anything, no attributions. You don't have to, no type of royalties. You can use these free however you want to use them. Okay, so you can take any images like from, let's say, Pixabay, and now you're free to use all these images of horses however you want to use them. Okay, again, no attribution, no royalty, none of that. Use it however you want. You can take these images and upload them here. Like I said, this is pretty simple. It's pretty creative to put some money in your pocket. Now, it's not a lot, but it's an easy way to get started. Okay, and it says it right there on the site. Get paid per view. Okay, not for somebody to buy, not for somebody to download. Okay, like I said, it's an easy way to find an extra way to make money online, especially in the time that we're in now. I mean, it doesn't take a lot of work. So but anyway, if you found this useful, let me know down in the comments below, and I will make sure that I bring you more interesting things that you can use to make money online. And with that, I'm done, and I will catch y'all in the next video. Take care.